Today I'm working with a Kenmore electric washer, and next I'm going to show you the dryer. But on this one here, it is a Super Capacity Plus. It's in excellent shape. Right now I've got it running, filling up with water. We're just doing an ultra clean cycle, so it's going to run through the entire cycle, and I'm going to kind of show you as it goes along that this guy works perfectly. No issues with it whatsoever. Kind of as if you were standing here yourself testing it out. That's the purpose of these videos. Washer gets a 28-point inspection, the dryer gets a 22-point inspection, so everything electrical, mechanical, I mean, you name it, it gets checked, make sure everything works good. So that's how I like to shop, so that's how I like to sell. We're going to let this go ahead and fill up, then I'll show you that it agitates, drains, and then I'll show you that spin cycle. Then we'll move on to the dryer. Okay, we moved into the actual wash portion. There's the agitation. See, it's doing a really good job getting those clothes nice and clean. Kind of a neat setting here you can do. It's a 3-speed motor with a 4-speed combination, so if you had delicates in there, switch it over to delicates. It's going to run real slow. Then there's a slow, fast, fast, fast. And if memory serves, I don't think you're actually supposed to switch that during mid-cycle. But for testing purposes, I lift this up and switch all this around just so you can see it. But there's also a permanent press, which is your delicate cycle here. So, all right, we are moving into that spin cycle, but I wanted you to be able to hear it drain. Feel the water's being kicked out. So we'll pause and come back real quick when it's at full speed on the spin cycle. Alright, and here we are at full speed on the spin cycle. You see it's nice, smooth. Sounds great. I'm going to lift this up, this lid up here, and show you that the lid switch works to shut it down, because you're not supposed to lift the lid up during the spin cycle. It comes to a stop, but most importantly that it is spinning nice and fast. See that there. Alright, so we're going to let this finish up, spinning the water out of those clothes, and I will show you the dryer. Okay, now I've got a Whirlpool electric dryer. Those clothes are moved over here, so we'll close that up. Just hit this on time dry, high heat, hit go. You can see in here that it sounds great. Nice smooth operation. Then I'm going to show you with my little temperature gun here. It's giving you the temperature in Fahrenheit, so whatever those two little red dots shine on or in between is where it's going to measure that temperature. I'm going to go ahead and open this up, shoot it right inside the heating element tube. You see plenty of heat coming out of there. Take that picture for the ad. So that comes out of that tube right there. The inside of your dryer is going to heat up between 95 and 195. Just depends on what you have these settings at here. You know, maybe you've got some sheets or delicates or something, you don't want it to get that hot. Or jeans and you do want it to get real hot. Either way, you can see it's heating and working perfectly. You can see in here that it runs smooth and works great. Do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, have a great day. Thanks.